What's up guys, welcome back. Patreon request today from Pantherator, another dinosaur, another hybrid dinosaur. This is a mouthful. Ovilophomoloch. Ovilophomoloch. And we need to petition Jurassic World Alive to release a clearer image. So, portrait of this bird-like dinosaur. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Let's start with that big old eye, right? So, head, feathery sort of neck. It's kind of circle, maybe a bit pointy at the front. Up and down like so. And then around. That. And then a big old iris and pupil. Colored black. And if you want, you can leave a couple of highlights, say like a white circle here and here. It does help things look a bit more shiny. Okay. You can do it with a bit of this stuff as well. You just daub a bit on. So then the eyelid line, up and down, bird-like eyelid, just coming around that eye. And usually birds have these lines on their eyes there. Okay, another section just coming around the eye here. Lots of textures and stuff, different colors, colored in different. Make another sort of face socket sort of area here. It seems to come up the head, and then there's like a layer of spikes coming across the front here, I think. So it's kind of close to where the nostril is. So we'll go like that, right? It seems to just follow. So we'll do this first. Seems to go around the eye, and then we'll make him look a bit three-dimensional. Layers of them back here as well. Yeah. Right, to make them look like a little bit 3D, just put a line down the middle of each one, and then put the end, so like the bottom section. And it's like there's all texture and stuff all underneath all this. So the nostril and the beak. The beak looks like it's part of the skin. It's like not a separate thing. You know, normally they have like a beak that's like a bony structure, and then the skin is different. This looks the same. It looks the same in this picture, right? So a big pointy beak. Seems to fold down this way. And then pointy beak on the bottom. Goes back here to the back of the mouth, and then there's that sort of skin fold sort of area there. And then the inside of the mouth. Back there. Can't make out the tongue, so I'm gonna do this kind of a tongue. And there's all textures and edge lines and stuff on the inside of the mouth here. And on the beak as well. I mean, lots of like wrinkles and stuff, like broken little lines like this. Circles clustered together is good for reptiles. These little circles. The back of the head seems to be here, and then it meets a load of more spikes, right? And then there's fins at the top. We'll just finish like the bottom beak sort of area here. Goes down that way. And then we got like some more textures and wrinkles and all. Yeah, so like Dilophosaurus like fins up the top as well. So like the head starting there, right, and then this big fin goes that way. Lots of stuff there, and then spikes, round sort of spikes, round on the bottom. Go up all the way to here, so it goes up to the spikes up the top this way. There's a whole line of them going up here. Sort of edge lines and textures and wrinkles and all on this. And then top of the head here comes down close to the beak. Down that way. There's another little bumpy area here. And then this has like textures and wrinkles and stuff on it as well. And then the other fin sticking up the back of the head. Around here, and we got like spikes and stuff on top again. Lots of textures on it and stuff. Okay, spikes on the back, and then we'll deal with feathers. So we'll go with these spikes here. Small ones at first, but then we get some huge ones. They all kind of just connect into the head here. and textures on the head and the bones and spikes and stuff. Okay. Now, big feathery sort of jaw and a big feathery neck, right? So the first one, this green section, is kind of fluffy, maybe not sort of feathery. So like all these sort of spikes. Just build up the sort of layers of these. Right, and then there's like the big collar type one. And this I think is feathers. Unclear, but again, Jurassic World Alive, release clear images for the artists of the world, you know. Yeah, you go to all the trouble to obviously pay someone to model these creatures. You can release the high def image. Come on. As we're just adding feather-like shapes now to this. So anywhere that's not feather, you know, you do sort of reptile skin lines. And then the neck goes down there. And we got some texture lines on this. Just on the neck. And then it comes down to like an ostrich-like body, obviously. There's another actually bumpy sort of feathery thing here. I think. Right. So I'll try and say this name again. This is Ovilophomoloch from Jurassic World Alive. Like a little birdie dinosaur. Terrifying. Probably eat you alive. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.